Is to get over a breakup. Breaking up with someone might be one of the most difficult things in life. It can make you feel depressed, perplexed, and apprehensive about the future. But it's crucial to keep in mind that you may recover and move on in due time. The following easy actions will help you get through this difficult period. 1. Give yourself permission to experience your feelings. It's common to experience a range of feelings following a breakup, including sadness, rage, confusion, and even relief. Don't try to ignore or conceal these emotions. Allow yourself to experience distress. If necessary, cry, but don't suppress your feelings. Being depressed is a sign of humanity, not weakness. 2. Speak with a trusted person. Talking about your experiences might sometimes help you understand how you're feeling. Speak with a friend, relative, or therapist who is able to listen and provide support. They might offer you consolation and a new outlook during this trying moment. 3. Pay attention to self-care. It's simple to disregard your own health when you're grieving. Look after your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Get adequate sleep, eat healthily, and exercise. You can feel more balanced by engaging in activities that bring you joy, such as reading, watching films, or spending time with loved ones. Distract yourself from the breakup. Thinking back on the relationship after a while can be 4. Take your time. It takes time to recover from a breakup. Have patience. If you want to see our other videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's meet in another video.